Hi guys! Did you know that the Dualsenses Silver range is an ideal product line for gray hair? It is specifically designed to work against unwanted brassiness and to refine cool effects in gray hair. This is my model Olga. What I noticed about her gray hair is that it looks brassy and a treatment would be beneficial. I'm really excited to use the new Dualsenses Silver 60-second treatment to neutralize unwanted yellow tones and to regenerate the hair. I'm really happy with the result. Olga's hair looks noticeably healthier and there is no more brassiness thanks to the Dualsenses Silver 60-second treatment. For her home care regime, I would recommend using Dualsenses Silver shampoo and conditioner with every wash to integrate the 60-second treatment once a week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.